The wobbler feeder is composed of screen shaft assembly, screen body, driving device, protective housing, lining plate, and self-cleaning device. The screen surface is made up of multiple parallel metal rollers. The motor drives the rollers to rotate through chains, gears, or a reducer. Each roller rotates in the same direction, usually from the feed end to the discharge end, and the material moves forward on the surface of the rollers. Materials with acceptable particle size less than the gap between the rollers fall through the gap between the rollers and enter the lower collection device. Materials with excessive particle size greater than the gap between the rollers are driven forward by the rollers and eventually discharged from the discharge end. At the bottom of the screen plate, a comb-shaped plate is installed, which can achieve the self-cleaning function.